Assalamualaikum. Hello friend. My name is MD Ronnie. I am from Bangladesh. So I am an electrical technician. Today we remove this SDB board, panel board, and this panel board. Then SDB panel board, and another one is voltage stabilizer, 3-phase voltage stabilizer, and other is IPS system. So we remove this panel board because we have broken this wall. See, we are broken this wall, so we remove here to another wall here to 10 feet away. So come, I will show you another place. So this side we set up this panel board. Okay, this side we set up this panel board. Then we control this wall. And I forget that to tell you. This is our cutting floor. Our building 7th floor. This floor is 7th floor, and this is cutting section. Hello friend, we already remove our exhaust fan panel board. So now we remove our another SDB panel board, SDB1. So you can see.
শেষ হলো কোনো দিন তো পাবলিশ করতে
আজকে জিনিসের আচরণ ভালো করতেছে
কই ভাই
জিনিস গাড়ি দে
ওটা চাপো না যাচ্ছে না তো একটু থাকে তো গাছের ফল কখন ভালো হবে
ঠিক আছে Okay, thank you. We have installed exhaust fan panel board. We already installed our exhaust fan panel board, exhaust fan control board. So then we are attached SDB1 there. Okay. Then our new tanking C channel line cable lay over this on this channel.
এই বল ভাঙতেছে এই
So we are hanging our second GB board, SDB1. So thank you. And now it is time to wiring this panel board. Okay, like this. Then we are wiring cable. We are wiring exhaust fan cable. So friend, we already wiring our exhaust fan cable. See, in that way, and our exhaust main cable here. Then we load from this way. Okay, and our another side is our SDB1. This board here. We are wiring exhaust fan main cable. Okay, Randy, 25 RM main cable. Alhamdulillah, now we are connection our exhaust fan line. Our exhaust fan, every exhaust fan is single phase
That's why our cable is single phase line. You can see every cable red, yellow and blue, I mean RYB line. Now we are connection that line. Here have 12 exhaust fan. Then hello friend, our other team member work with us. You can see here Rabbi, Mr. Farooq, Mr. Rana and Mr. Rajiv. So friend, we almost complete 75% work. So today our time is up. So we will work tomorrow other work. Okay, so stay with us and see. Hello friend, this is our second days and we are come here to work, start our work and work our painting work safe, and we will finish our work today. Stay with us. Thank you. Let's see. Now we are connection our exhaust fan SDB grounding cable. Every single grounding cable you can see. Now we are connection our another board, I mean SDB 1. You can see we are connection every single circuit breaker and main circuit breaker already connected with main cable, that is 25 Rm main cable, and every single phase circuit breaker cable is 4 Rm. Hello friend, we are complete our exhaust fan board connection, I mean dolly starter fan connection. You can see our earthing cable connection and you can see our neutral bar connection, every single cable wire locks, and this is our NONC switch. And we are already complete our another SDB 1 board. We are already completed this circuit board very carefully. Alhamdulillah, we are complete our work. We are complete our board installation and wiring in time. So you can see the indicator lamp is blink. Please see our equipment. Okay. We are success, so thank you very much to see your work. Allah bless.